right, guys, so what we're going to do is a quick drawing of Charlie Brown. And it's very simple because I'm going to basically break it down into shapes. So what we're going to do first is start off with a circle. So we start off right at the top. And remember how we draw? Nice and light. I'm going to do a marker just so you can see it on camera a little better. So there's the first half of my circle. There's the second half, but right about here, you might notice I'm going to skip about right here. Skip here, and then go back down all the way. Meet that edge right there. Now you're going to wonder why I skipped right here. You'll see in a minute. Because what we're going to do next is we're going to make 3 letter C's. Now these C's, they're going to be kind of squared off a bit. So we're going to start off with a C right in the middle, right here. And this is what I mean by squared off. They're kind of flat. They still curve right here, but they have more of a flat top and bottoms. Then you're going to do another letter C, just a regular one, right on this side, parallel to that letter C right here, and then another one, but going the opposite way, as if you're making a letter D. That to that, there we go. Now what we're going to do are 2 water drops or sunflower seeds going down, one on either side, kind of close to that letter C. Next thing we're going to do, for those of you who are still practicing the fine art of cursive, we are going to do a cursive letter U. I'm going to just tell you, these are his eyebrows. One line here and another line crossing over right there. Now, Charlie Brown isn't the most confident person, even though he deserves to be, but he kind of has a wobbly smile. So we're going to give him 2 little dimples, one here and one here, and then kind of not very straight, but a little bit of a wobble to it. There we go. All right. And then Charlie Brown has to have a neck. So 2 lines, kind of parallel, going down from those. There we go. Then we're going to give him a very wide letter V. Then you're going to do 2 more checks, one here and one going the opposite way right here. Now let's give Charlie Brown a little bit of shadow right here underneath. And then if you choose to do the rest of the body, I'm just going to make a line going down a little bit to the left. You can even poke it out a little bit right here. There we go. Give him a little bit of a tummy, not too big. He doesn't eat that many peanut butter sandwiches. And then another one going the opposite way. Now on this side, you're going to give a letter L. And then just a line straight down. That'll edge off where his arm is and his sleeve right here. And then you're going to give him a W. And then, of course, if you don't meet all the way to his arm, go ahead and make another line going down to the right. And then we're going to match that because that's the zigzag line on his shirt. If you want to give him a little bit more of a dimensionality to him, you can give him a little bit of his other arm on this side, kind of a long letter L that matches right about where that sleeve is. And then bring the line going in, straight in. And if you want Charlie Brown to be a little surprised, if you know how to make a parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Charlie Brown.